Hello friends, today I'll be here with a new video to share about SAP ERP. First, we need to understand what is SAP, history of SAP, SAP modules and many more. Now we will dig to the video, the history of SAP. History of SAP. In 1972, SAP was founded by 5 former IBM employees in Germany with the vision to develop a standard application software for real-time business solution. After the first year, they created the first financial accounting software application, R1 system. R stands for real-time data processing. In 1979, SAP R2 was updated to handle different language and currencies. In 1992, SAP R3 was introduced on the client-server concept. In 2004, NetWeaver introduced it supports both ABAP and Java. In 2015, SAP S/4HANA SAP is providing a new product and a next generation of business applications. Now, what is SAP? SAP System Application Product and Data Processing. SAP can be described as an enterprise resource planning software. SAP is the most used ERP software in the market and contains hundreds of fully integrated modules covering nearly every aspect of business management. Using SAP, a centralized system for business that enables every department to access and share data to create a better work environment for every employee. SAP is the leading enterprise information and management package worldwide. Use of this package makes it possible to track and manage in real-time sales, production, finance, accounting, and human resource in an enterprise. Next one is advantage of SAP. Here are key advantages of using SAP. First one, data centralization. SAP puts the data from different processes and business function at a single centralized location. This makes sharing data and information across business unit and department easier. Next one is automation. SAP enables the automation of workflows and make processes streamlined. Data from processes like account management, order management and vendor management flows automatically according to the approval and rejection guideline defined in the system. Next one is accessibility. It is possible to deploy SAP through cloud. This makes SAP ERP highly versatile and accessible. SAP also offers mobile-based application for many of its features and applications. Globalization. SAP provides support for a variety of different geographical locations as an enterprise tool. SAP supports all the major currencies globally, making it useful for companies with international operations. Visualization, graphs and charts are easier to understand and go through as compared to large data files. Overall revenue growth. The features offered by SAP makes processes more efficient, free up the employees to work on important tasks and provide a holistic view of the operation to access issue more easily. Here are modules of SAP. First one is functional modules and second one is technical modules. Let's discuss in details in the next slides. First, we discuss about functional modules. So first one is Human Capital Management, SAP HCM. The Human Capital Management module facilitates the management of human resource process like hiring, onboarding, performance evaluation, payroll, promotion and so on. Next one is Production Planning. SAP PP uses master data for processing manufacturing, sales and distribution data and helps in planning and managing production. Next one is Material Management. SAP MM module assists in the organization and planning of materials, inventory and warehousing capabilities. Next one is Project System, SAP PS. The SAP PS module involves project structuring, time scheduling, budgeting, reporting, project process analysis, and cost planning to manage the life cycle of a business project. Sales and distribution SAP SD modules helps manage processes like selling, shipping, and billing in an organization by integrating various sales transactions. SAP PM Plant Maintenance. The plant maintenance module manages and overviews the product or services, inspection, maintenance, and technical repair. Next are financial accounting SAP FI. The SAP FI modules helps the organization analyze financial data by integrating other financial modules and components like inventory, tax accounting, and financial statements. Quality management SAP QM facilitates the organization in managing quality production by integrating sales, procurement, production, and management, and many more. Now we will discuss SAP technical modules. First one is controlling SAP CO. The controlling module concerns decision-making processes in an organization for improving financial and monetary functions. SAP Basis. SAP Basis involves system administration and a technical foundation enabling the SAP system to function smoothly. Next one is SAP ABAP. SAP Advanced Business Application Programming. SAP ABAP is a high level programming language used to develop business application in the SAP environment. SAP NetWeaver and SAP NetWeaver enables real-time integration of business users with SAP software and allows tracking of various processes and more. Information System Management SAP IS. Information System Management enables the collection and analysis of function modules and helps the business in problem cause identification and rectification. Exchange Infrastructure SAP XI. Exchange Infrastructure is responsible for implementing cross-system processes in different versions from different vendors. High Performance Analytic Appliance SAP HANA. SAP HANA uses in-memory computing to store compressed data into RAM instead of relational databases on disk drives. Now, what are the advantages of SAP ERP for an organization? First one is increased work efficiency. SAP allows data integration with various databases, enabling the system to streamline business processes and collect data efficiently. Solution for all business dimensions. The SAP system provides flexibility for company growth in almost all existing business dimensions. Module for specification of work. The various modules in the SAP system share information to facilitate business managerial obligation and simply routine business process. Next one is avoid data replication and duplication. SAP ERP ensures the confidentiality of the company's critical data and helps avoid duplication. Standardization. Every business process recorded in the SAP system can be standardized. Thus, the company will have good standardization. To answer the question as to why to choose SAP as a career, you can see SAP's growth chart, its history and its development. Its growth is reaching every day. Furthermore, it is the most popular application software at present time, and with the launch of the SAP S/4HANA series, it has become even more valuable. For this, a lot of industries are adopting it for their business, which in turn created a good amount of job opportunities for aspirants. Subsequently, a lot of people are choosing to learn. If you also want to learn into the SAP domain, be with us as we are creating series on SAP in which we will cover each domain in detail. All the best for all the SAP aspirants. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for all the videos, and subscribe our channel for more relevant videos and jobs.